Smell the burning. Oh, that's just cool. Smell the burning fire. Very good display. Here comes that wood. Yeah, nice one with that ass. So missed it. Just all these photos for observation for the bonfire night remaining. This fella's got more wood for the more materials. Yeah. More. I can't believe the size of this bonfire is amazingly big. It's huge.
Will, what?
I was going to try and switch on night mode. Switch on the light on like this.
I pay for a photon.
On fire. Well, they must be rich. Oh. didn't realise that.
Alex Kenner is called.
Where is she?
Yeah. I think I told.
On. Oh. Somebody's got it. Send now, send now. What the fuck is that called here?
Might be. Yeah. As you can see, I got nothing to do with this. Whoa! Well, actually, I have to have some an alibi in case the police come to the door. If they come to the door, they just come.
Just say you were walking past and took a wee quick video of it, and went away home. What they gotta do? Put you in jail for watching a bonfire?
No, it's for they could have think I was actually chucking it in. No, that's from far away.
Look, it must have chatted both and it's hit.
Has someone already put one in or what? Because none of them exploded yet. Yeah, that's our lives ruined.
It's on fire.
As you can see here,
All the letters will be on fire inside.
as you can see here, the letter, somebody put fireworks in the letterbox. Hey people, they put fireworks in the letterbox. You can see. Shit.
Why take a picture?
I'm not taking pictures. It's filming. Rolling.
Can I be involved?
Hey, Mama, TV!
DJ Net Radio.
Really?
I'm
The
famous!
Can you like?
That's on TV.
No, because I have to have. I can't have children on it.
Get your letters.
What? They just put one in.
Get your letters through the letterbox.
Look at the letterbox.
You've
been chucking it in there, mate.
Crap, hey. Is that the fucking...
If I were killed,
it hit the back of my neck.
First, and then it didn't hit you. Yeah, the rocket's fucking massive. He's going to put it in. He's going to put it in.
The bottle tipped and it just exploded over everyone.
What?
Oh, yeah.